Good morning, dear student. Today I am going to teach about types of operating system. In the previous class, I explained about Unix and Linux. Today I am going to explain about Windows operating system. Windows operating system. Operating system. What is operating system? Operating system is used to interface between user and the computer system. This is the types of operating system. Windows. Now, Windows. Windows is a GUI operating system developed by Microsoft Corporation. Windows XP and Windows 7 are popular version of Windows currently in use. However, Microsoft may soon release its new version Windows 8. Microsoft Windows is the most popular operating system among personal computer users. Windows 8 was released on July 29, 2015 by Microsoft. It is a personal computer operating system as a part of the Windows NT family of operating system. Now, dear student, Windows is the operating system. This is very popular operating system. This is the very popular operating system. Windows is a graphical user interface operating system. Windows is a graphical GUI means graphical user interface operating system developed by Microsoft company. Windows operating system developed by Microsoft company. Microsoft company. Windows XP and Windows 7 are the popular version of Windows currently in use. In currently popular version of Windows currently use Windows 7 and Windows XP. Microsoft soon release new version Windows 8 and in 2015 July 29 Microsoft released a Windows 10 version of the operating system. It is a personal computer operating system as a part of Windows NT family of operating system. Today, Windows 10 and Windows 8 is very popular operating system. And many and a lots of people use this operating system. Now, this is the Windows operating system. Now, I will discuss next topic. Our next topic is BOSS. 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 Now, BOSS. BOSS. Bharat Operating System Solutions. BOSS. Also known as BOSS GNU Linux is an open source computer operating system developed by Center for Development of Advanced Computing. DAC, Chennai in India. It has been developed to enhance the use of free open source software in India. So more people in India can now have access to software in their local language. It will encourage them to use the internet and other information and communication technologies, ICTs. That means BOS is the operating system which is developed in Chennai, India. This is the Indian software. That's why in India more people use this software for local languages. This is the BOS. BOS developed by Center for Development of Advanced Computing, Chennai, India. It has been developed to enhance the use of free open source software in India. That means this software is free. This software is free open source software in India. That's why more people in India use this software for local languages. It will encourage them to use the internet and other information and communication technology. It will encourage them to internet and other information and communication technology. This is the BOS operating system. Now we will discuss next topic. Now our next topic is mobile operating system. Mobile operating system. Now mobile operating system. This operating system operates on a smartphone, tablets and digital mobile device. Mobile operating system operates on a smartphone. Mobile operating system operates the smartphone and tablets and mobile device and digital mobile device. It controls mobile device and its design supports wireless communication and different type of mobile application. It control mobile device. Mobile device and its design support wireless communication. Supports wireless communication and different type of mobile application. It has built-in support for mobile multimedia format. It has built this type of software built to support for multimedia format. Support for multimedia format. And now some popular mobile operating system are as follow. First of all, Android. What is Android? Android is the operating system which is used to in a smartphone. Now, Android. It is a mobile operating system developed by Google on on September 23, 2008, which is based on Linux kernel. Now, Android. Android is a mobile operating system developed by Google on September 29, 2008, which is based on Linux kernel. It is designed for touch screen mobile device like smartphone, etc. It is designed for touch screen mobile. Android operating system is used for touch screen mobile. Touch screen mobile. And now there are different types of operating system for mobiles: Symbian, iOS, BlackBerry, Windows Phone, etc. is the mobile operating system which is used in a smartphone. Which is used in a smartphone. This is the mobile operating system. Now, dear student, we will discuss next topics in the next class. If you have any types of problem, you call this number. Now, thank you.